You think words are clear to your dog, but most of what you say actually confuses them. That confusion chips away at training, trust, and calm, turning simple moments into stress. Tonight, change 4 phrases and watch your dog become clearer, calmer, and more willing to connect.
You start with stop it. Short, sharp, feels effective. To your dog, it's meaningless noise. Stop it could mean stop barking, stop chewing, stop jumping. There's no map from sound to action. The dog only hears your rising emotion and feels pressure. Pressure makes them freeze, escalate, or tune you out. Replace stop it tonight with a single consistent action cue. Off for the couch, drop for items, quiet or a trained look for barking. Teach each replacement with a clear sequence. Cue, guided action, immediate reward. Specific words paired with predictable outcomes teach behavior. Vague words teach anxiety.
You use no as your go-to fix-all. It becomes a blur of negativity. When you say no after the accident, you're punishing the memory, not the act. When it's shouted at a grabbed sock, it only signals something bad happened without teaching what to do instead. Tonight, stop using no as a blanket. Replace it with prevention and redirection. For objects, practice leave it as a game. Present, close hand, reward when they back away. For accidents, interrupt calmly before it happens and guide them outside, then reward the correct toileting. Action-based cues plus prevention change behavior. Blanket no only creates confusion.
Good boy! You mean well, but timing ruins it. Praise is a marker. If it comes late, mixed in with treats, or used constantly, it loses meaning. Dogs need praise within 1 second of the exact action you want. If you tell them good minutes after they sit, you've rewarded the wrong thing. Tonight, pick one short marker word, yes or good, and use it with laser timing. Click-like, immediate, and paired with a tiny treat while the action is happening. Fade treats later. Keep the word as the promise of reward. Consistent timing makes praise informative, not just pleasant noise. Come here, yelled in panic, changes everything. Emergency yells become chaos cues. When the door opens or a child bolts, that frantic recall can trigger fight, flight, or freeze. Teach a rescue recall instead. One calm, 2-syllable cue. Here or come. Practiced in low pressure with extremely high value rewards, so coming is always the best choice. Also train an alternative, place, or bed, so in real emergencies, you can guide them to a safe spot calmly. Tonight, start 5 quick recall drills from short distance with joyful tone, reward instantly, and stop using the frantic tone, except never.
Make these 4 swaps part of a 10 to 15 minute micro session tonight. 1. Off drill. Lure and guide off the couch 5 times. Reward each clean landing. End on success. 2. Leave it game. 3 minutes of present close hand reward. Make leaving it better than grabbing. 3. Marker timing. Use yes and pair with a treat within 1 second for 5 different small actions. Sit, look, drop, touch. 4. Calm recall. 5 short here repetitions from 2 to 5 feet with high-value treats and joy.
If your dog hesitates, slow down. Hesitation usually means confusion or mild stress. Back up a step and reward the easier behavior. Repetition with clarity builds confidence faster than intensity. Body language matters as much as words. If you say off while lunging at the couch, your body screams the opposite. Tonight, align posture, soft eyes, open palms, low movement. When you call here, crouch with palms open and reward at knee level. Don't tower or reach. Dogs read tone and posture before words. Also audit your consistency. If everyone in the household uses different cues, the dog receives mixed signals. Tonight, pick these 4 replacement words and ask everyone to use them exactly the same way. Consistency short-circuits confusion. Common mistakes to stop tonight.
Piling commands together, one cue at a time, and wait. Praising attention-seeking whining, reward calm instead. Punishing after the fact, interrupt and redirect instead. Using too many words, short, distinct cues of 1 or 2 syllables work best.
When to get extra help. If your dog shows avoidance, sudden aggression, or freezing alongside confusion, consult a vet for pain issues and a certified trainer or behaviorist for structured work. Confusion sometimes masks physical discomfort. Small language shifts change energy. Short, specific cues reduce uncertainty and create predictable outcomes. Predictability equals safety. Safety increases willingness. Willingness builds a deeper bond. Imagine tomorrow night. You ask, "Here." They come. Calm, quick, tail relaxed. You say yes right as they hit your knee and give a tiny treat. Later, you notice them choose the bed instead of jumping on the couch when you say off. Those moments feel small, but they are trust, moment by moment. Final insight. Your dog isn't ignoring you because they're willful. They're decoding inconsistent signals. Change 4 words tonight. Make them specific, immediate, and calm, and you'll give your dog the clear map they need. That clarity reduces stress, speeds learning, and deepens connection. Your dog isn't just behaving. They're trying to understand you. Make your words worth understanding.